Good day, math thinkers! Today, you will learn about simplifying complex rational expression. So what are complex rational expressions? So these are quotients with rational expressions in the dividend, divisor, or in both. For examples, this one. So how to simplify a complex rational expression? So there are two methods. Method 1. Express the given complex rational expressions as simple fractions and proceed to division and simplify. So just follow this easy rule. Then the method 2. Find the LCD and multiply to the complex rational expression, then simplify. To better understand these methods, we will have an example. So example number 1. Simplify this given expression. Using method 1, express the given complex rational expressions as simple fractions. So this is already a simple fraction. Then proceed to division. Then since this is division, the rule of division is to reciprocate the denominator, then proceed to multiplication. So then multiply. And since x squared minus 1 is a difference of 2 squared and is factorable, we factor x squared minus 1. So it is x plus 1, x minus 1. Then eliminate the like factors. So that's it. And what's left is our simplest form of that given expression. So that's easy, right? Now we will try solving an expression using method 2. So simplify this given expression. So method 2 says that multiply the numerator and denominator of the complex fraction by the LCD of the denominators. So given this expression, and this expression, as you can see, there are negative exponents. So first, before applying method 2, first, we need to apply the rule of negative exponent. So that is the result. So 2x raised to the power of negative 2 will be 2 over x squared, because we will reciprocate, because the rule of negative exponent is to reciprocate so that it will be a positive exponent. So the same goes with the rest. And then now you can apply the method 2. So find the LCD of that given expression. So from your previous topics, we know that our LCD is x squared y squared. So multiply the LCD to the whole expression, and this is the result. And then multiply, do the necessary procedures, or so now this is the result. So then again, the same thing goes with the rest. Group the like factors. And since we know that x squared over x squared is equals to 1 and y squared over y squared is also equal to 1, so then it will be 2y squared multiplied by 1 plus 3x squared multiplied by 1, y squared multiplied by 1 plus x squared multiplied by 1. And since it is 1, our simplified form for the given expression is 2y squared plus 3x squared over y squared plus x squared, because this expression is not factorable anymore, so that is the simplest form. Okay. So for this example number 3, we will try to simplify it using method 1 and method 2 so that we can compare our answer. So this example, using method 1, express the given complex rational expression as simple fractions. So first, since I know that our numerators and our denominators is factorable, so first, I simplified it I express it as simple fractions first. So then I factored it, and I will eliminate the like factors. So then it is eliminated, so the remaining will be x plus 1 over x minus 1 and over x squared, 8x squared over x plus 8. Then since it is already in its simple fraction, so then I will follow the rule. The rule of the is to multiply, reciprocate, then multiply the denominator. So then multiply, I have x plus 1 times x plus 8 all over 8x squared multiplied by x minus 1. So then, I have a question. Is this already the simplest form or not? So yes, this is the simplest form because we cannot factor this anymore. So this is the answer. That's easy, right? So now let's try method 2. Multiply the numerator and denominator of the complex fraction by the LCD. So, from your previous topic, what is the LCD of this given expression? Yes, you're right. It's x squared minus 1 multiplied by x squared minus 64. So then I multiplied it to the expression. Then it goes like this. So x squared plus 2x plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus 64 over 8x cubed minus 64x squared multiplied by x squared minus 1. And then the next step, since our numerator and our denominators are factorable, so we factor it out. Since x squared plus 2x plus 1 is a common binomial factor, so it is x plus 1, x plus 1. And the x squared minus 64 is a difference of 2 square, which is x plus 8 times x minus 8. And our denominator, the 8x cubed minus 64x squared, it is a common monomial factor. So I isolated 8x squared, and the remaining would be x minus 8. And x squared minus 1 is also a difference of 2 squares, which is x plus 1, x minus 1. So yeah, I just factored it out. So, eliminate the like factors. So then, the remaining factors would be x plus 1, x plus 8 over 8x squared multiplied by x minus 1. So is this the simplest form or not? Yes, this is already the simplest form of the expression because we cannot factor this out. And recall the answer using method 1. Yes, it's the same. So, using method 2 or using method 1, you will always lead to the same answer. So, better use the method that you're comfortable with. So then, our last example. So, simplify this given expression. So, for this complex expression, we need to start at the bottom. Apply the necessary operation, which is adding a rational expression. You already learned that from your previous topic, so then I add it. Next is I solve for this given fraction. I simplify this first, so the answer would be x over x plus 8. And then I proceed to adding the 1. So 1 plus x over x plus 1, it is still adding a rational expression. So the answer would be 2x plus 1 over x plus 1. Let's go up. So this 1 over 2x plus 1 over x plus 1, the rule of division, which is to reciprocate the denominator, then proceed to multiplication. So the answer would be 1 plus x plus 1 over 2x plus 1. And then again, proceed to adding rational expression. So the answer would be 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 1. And then going up, 1 over 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 1. You just reciprocate the denominator, then proceed to multiplication. So the answer would be 2x plus 1 over 3x plus 2. And then add the 1. So 1 plus 2x plus 1 over 3x plus 2. And then, since this is just addition of rational expression, so you already know that. So it is 5x plus 3 over 3x plus 2. And then the last procedure, you just reciprocate the denominator, then multiply it to the numerator. So our answer for that given expression is just 3x plus 2 over 5x plus 3. So that's the simplest form. So that's great. That's all for simplifying complex rational expressions. So to enhance your skills about simplifying complex rational expression, it's time to practice. So answer the following and take your time. So these are the expected answer for the practice exercise. Thank you.